If you are planning a comeback as an Indian student, there is a 99% of chance you will fail. This video explains why. Hi, my name is Viswajit and I am a student like you, and currently I am working on my body, mind and discipline. This channel is about real life journey and real life self improvement. No motivation, no fake advice. So let's talk about the truth. Mistake number 1, too much motivation. Most students start with motivation by watching reels, by watching motivational videos on YouTube, and by saving quotes and study and read them. But motivation dies under in 3 days, but discipline stay forever. Mistake number 2, unrealistic goal. You want perfect body. You want high score marks in your exam. And you want model like face. And you want lots of money. You want to become millionaire, billionaire. So you can't achieve these things in once. Okay, so you need to set at least one priority and one main goal, and your other goals is your secondary goals. Okay, firstly you need to set your goal. What is your main priority to do in your life? Mistake number 3, no system. You don't need a willpower. You need a best system to follow. You don't need a fixed time to sleep. You don't need a fixed time to do workout. You don't need a fixed time to study. You need a system. You just set your goal that study, my knowledge, my money, and my fitness. These three things are my main priority. What I do for money, what I do for knowledge, what I do for my fitness and health and looks. So when you get free time, then do these three things. Okay, so you don't need any proper time to do it. If you pass out the proper time, then you realize that I am fail in my day and I never do, and this day is going wrong. It's not. It's not the right thing. You set your main priorities and do it one by one when you get free time on your whole day. Mistake number 4, comparison. You compare yourself, you compare your start journey with someone who is in 5-year progress. So you don't compare anyone's, because they have their own life, they have their own problems, they have their own solutions, they have different genetics. So you can't tell that why he's taller than me, why his body is looking bulky and muscular than me, because you have the another genetic and he have the another genetic. So don't compare with anyone else, just focus on yourself to become your best version. If you compare yourself with others, that kills your confidence. If your confidence goes low, then you can't stay forever and you can't do what you want for a long day. So confidence matters, confident mindset. These are the things what actually matter to do something great. Mistake number 5, you waiting for perfect time. You say, I start from Monday, I start from next month, I start from new year. But that is not the perfect time. If you wait for the perfection, you never get the perfect time. In this world, there is no perfect. There is no perfect thing. There is no perfect body. There is no perfect time in this world. Okay. So you just need to start from today. After this video, you go and start what you want to do. At least daily, try to improve yourself 1%. That is my rule. I am also improve myself at least 1%. So now the question is, what is the real solution? So the real solution is, you don't need any kind of motivation, because motivation don't stay forever. You need a system to follow, because success is boring. Okay, so discipline is boring. You need to work daily without motivation. This is happen if you have a strong desire. The obsession is the key of success. Firstly, you have to obsess for achieving something. Then you increase your reputation for put in the work. Then you shift your self discipline and work continuously, regularly. Then you have get the success. what you want to become and what you want to reach and what you want to get. And in the last, I want to say you, I'm documenting my lifestyle and what I want to become and what's the problem I face and which type of struggle I face in this channel. And I will teach you my real life journey and my life lessons, what I learn from my life, and that's help you to grow you. So if you want to become successful with me, so definitely follow this channel and we will work together to become best version of ourselves. So let's build it together.